Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So today we're doing a unboxing. I haven't gotten any new models for quite a while, but I did order I think 5 or 6 of the Gemini Jet's December releases, and this one was the first one to arrive. Unfortunately, this model I could not purchase with the rest of them for some reason, so I got this one today in the mail. The other ones should be coming shortly, but I just felt like making an unboxing for this, and you will see the others in a massive unboxing number 3 or 4. So, but yeah, hope you guys are all doing well today. But yeah, without further delay, we'll jump right into this unboxing. Alright, so the box is now open. And as you can see, it is the United States Air Force 2, or the Vice Presidential plane. We're really glad that Gemini Jets did decide to make this one, and I had to pick it up as soon as I saw that it came out. But yeah, I didn't see this one listed on Waffle Collectibles for some reason when I was buying the others, so I had to buy this one off of eBay. And it did arrive a little bit faster, but yeah, we'll dive right into this aircraft. Alright, so as you can see from the box, it's just a standard Gemini Jets box. Sides are all the same on the back. They did make this model a while ago, but it did not have the winglets. The plane is a Boeing 757, but as you can see, it is technically called a C-32A. The registration on it, I believe, is 80002, and yeah, we'll open this model up and see. First impressions, it looks like it is going to be a fantastic model. Gemini Jets has a super good 757 mold, so yeah, fingers crossed. And yeah, as you can see, it is a beautiful aircraft. So this particular plane, if you do not know, is used by the United States Air Force to carry government officials and the Vice President mainly. I have seen this plane at least once, maybe twice. I saw it in Nashville one time. It's not the best livery out there, but it is definitely not a bad one. It is very pretty. As you can see, it's got all of these special like radar antennas and just antennas in general, just for all the things that they are running aboard this plane, and they need that equipment for. But now we'll take a closer look at this model and go into full review. Alright, so starting up front, we have the beautiful 757 nose. If you are not aware, the 757 is my favorite aircraft by far. It's just such a beautiful plane. But up front, as you can see, we have the tremendous detail at the front. We have the pitot tubes and the nose cone. It's kind of outlined in silver, which is the way it is in real life, I think. Then you have your cockpit windows, and then this little gold or bronze stripe, whichever you want to say, that goes down the entire aircraft. Then you have the main boarding door. You have like 6 closed windows for some reason, I'm not really sure. Gear looks great, perfectly straight, and how it should be. Then we have the first antenna, and then the Wi-Fi box, main Wi-Fi box. Then you see the L2 door, and then we have these 2 antennas up there at the top. I'm not sure exactly what they do. They could be radar dishes, but again, I'm not really sure. Engines look great, as you can see from the front. No issue there, like there's always no issue there. Again, just a beautiful aircraft. As I said before, we have the United States of America titles. Winglets look great. Then we have our gear. I'll show you guys the underside of the plane in a moment. Then we have our rear door, and then our tail that looks fantastic, and the registration is 80002. So yeah, a beautiful aircraft. I'll show you the bottom side in a moment. As you can see here, we have the bottom underside of the aircraft. As you can see, it's just plain blue like the engines are, and you have the little Gemini Jets logo right there. And yeah, everything looks good. They could have done a little more detail here on the bottom, but I'm not sure if that's just how it is in real life or if there actually is more detail. So yeah, not as detailed as I would say like the airliners are, but still, you're not really gonna look down there anyway. But yeah, I would still highly recommend getting this model. It is a very beautiful aircraft, as I've said numerous times. Really glad to have this one in my collection now. It'll make a great addition. But yeah, that is the Gemini jets, Boeing C-32A or Air Force 2. Again, it's a perfect mold with no defects whatsoever. I'd give this model a 9 or 9.5 out of 10. I would highly recommend getting this one if you can. I know they will probably sell out quick, so yeah. But that is it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you are new. We've been getting a ton of new subscribers. Well, not a ton, but we've got like 4 or 5 over the past week. So thank you to all of you who are watching this video. I really appreciate you subscribing and liking and commenting. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, God bless.